Hello, friends. Good morning. Welcome to Sunflowerland, another episode. Well, today we can see there are lots of change has been happened, and good luck, Don Baker season. 5 SFL to claim. That's a great news. I got 5 SFL on the very first click in this Sunflowerland. Well, let me first collect those eggs. Then I will start my journey in the Dawnbreaker Island, and we will play together. We will see how we can play in Dawnbreaker Island. So this thing is confirmed that you will get some SFL as a reward. I guess everyone will get 5 SFL. Please let me know if anyone get more than that or less than that. But I guess it's equal for everyone. So this is scales too. I found. Now what we have to do here, you can read it. Darkness is spreading. That means Dawnbreaker Island needs your help. Darkness is spreading is coming from 1st May, and the last one, Dawnbreaker Island, needs your help. Let's go to Dawnbreaker Island. Here it is. Weekly Lantern Challenge. This is the challenge you have to take, and the as many lantern you can craft, it will give the light to this Dawnbreaker Island. Each week we will be raffling off prizes to those who help bring light back to the island. The more lantern we craft as a community, the brighter of chances success. For every lantern you mint, you will receive a raffle ticket for a chance to win a weekly prize worth of up to 5000 SFL and one of 10 hoods SFT. Total supply 100. But if we come together and collectively reach our weekly goal, we will double the price to 10,000 SFL. Not only lanterns stored on chain will be counted. Got it? The thing is that you have to craft lantern, and as many as lantern you can craft, it will bring this Dawnbreaker Island in a light. It will bring light to this island, and this challenge you have to accept whatever. It's not for free. You will be paid off. But one thing you have to keep it mind that you have to sync on chain. So this is 6 days and 17 hours remaining. First, I have to craft luminous lantern. Each crafted lantern will bring light to the darkness and help to conquer the darkness hidden in the shadows. So you have to spend 0.625 SFL, 200 sunflower and 7 wood. Craft lantern. I can craft. Oh, you can see it's doubling, right? The more when the first lantern, let me read it. Dawnbreaker Island, hurry. Dawnbreaker Island is in danger. The remote island, once a beacon hope of safety surrounding, is the fallen into darkness. The family that lives in the island. Okay, no problem. We have to come to this point. Crafting lanterns. Lanterns can bring lights to the different parts of your island. Your goal is to craft as many lanterns as possible each week. To craft lantern, you must find your bumpkin on the island and click on them to reveal the lantern requirement. Nice. There is no limit of amount, no limit to the amount of lanterns you can craft. However, each time you craft a lantern, the requirements also increase. The more you craft, the harder it gets. Nice. The maximum of 5 lanterns will show up on a map each week. All the rest will be visible in your inventory under the collectible tab. Each week, a different lantern will become available to craft that has unique requirements. Once the season has finished, each lantern will you craft will become decorative, collectible. You can place your island on your island or trade with friends. Dawnbreaker prizes. Each week, a range of prize will be raffled to players who crafted lanterns that week and helped save Dawnbreaker Island. One lantern is equal to one entry to raffle, but remember you have to sync it. The more lanterns you craft, the higher your chances of winning the prize. Each week, 5,000 SFL and 10 Hoot will be given. Yes, Hoot is mystery utility SFT, only available through the Dawnbreaker competition. Max supply is 100. Yeah, we already know that it may become double to 10,000 SFL. Not bad idea. The community milestone reset each week automatically, regardless of whether we reach the threshold or not. Crafted lanterns will need to be stored on chain to count towards the community total. How long will the event go for? Dawnbreaker Island will be available for the entire season to visit. First 8 week of the season quest is only available for first 8 weeks of the season. If the community conquers the darkness, there will be festivity week full of community events, prizes and airdrop for those involved in the season. Well, how do I find mushroom? Mushroom automatically appear every 16 hours on your farm. The first mushroom will appear on your farm 16 hours after the after the season begins. Where do I find eggplants? You can purchase eggplants by visiting Betty at the market. Do players receive different chores? Dawnbreaker season introduces a new chore mechanic. From a list of chores, players are allocated a starting position in the list. They must then work though the list of chores. Each player has a different starting position and order of chores. Player all complete the same chores by the end of the list. Nice. Means all the chores you have to complete. It doesn't mean that which one is the first chore and which one will be the last chore, or eventually all the chores you have to complete, those are in the list. What happened if you were in the middle of chore from the previous season? If you were in the middle of a chore, your progress will not be lost. That's a nice idea. If you have not completed your chores in that particular session, those will be stored or those will be saved. So, however, instead of receiving solar flare ticket, you will receive Dawnbreaker Island, Dawnbreaker tickets. What does a genie lamp do? Let's understand all the points. Sorry that this video may be a bit longer, but still we must understand, as this is a very interesting season has came, so we have to take part and we have to earn some more SFL. This is my duty to make you understand so that you can earn a good amount of SFL. A genie lamp is a new utility SFT that can be discovered at Treasure Island. Once placed, player can grant 3 wishes and receive a rare items. After 3 wishes, a lamp is burnt. No problem. The granting wishes will be live later this week. Right now, you can only place the lamp. Our treasured items will be drawable this season. This season's Treasure Island is slightly different, following a similar pattern to Goblin Retreat items. Treasure Island items are only withdrawable once they are no longer available to the normal gameplay. So you can not withdraw those treasure crafted items. So you can start your you can play your game and after this gameplay or this season gets over, you can withdraw to the OpenSea for selling. But that time it will not be that much valuable. But still, you can keep it or you can sell it. It's your choice. This means Dawnbreaker treasures will become available for withdrawal at the end of the season. Do I need to store my lantern on chain to be eligible for raffle? No, the raffle will be based on off chain data. Ah, that's nice. As you craft your lantern, your raffle starts from then, and it will be calculating off chain data. But eventually, on the seventh day of that week, after collecting all the lanterns in this episode or in this week, you must sync it so that it will be calculated and the price will be distributed to you how much you have crafted. If my land has no space, where will mushroom appear? Mushroom will appear on surrounding island if you have no more space. What happened to genome? The genome has undergone a third makeover to make it more aligned with the game's aesthetic and storyline. How do I place lantern? Lantern are also decoration collectibles that you can place by visiting your chest. Okay. How do I find I am Simani? I am Simani is a mutant chicken that can be found just by collecting eggs. If you have all mutant chickens, your chances of finding I am Siami will be increased by 30%. What will hood be used for? Owls are notorious for keeping pets away from farming crops. In sunflowerland, hood will be given farming utility boost. It will coming later, not yet discussed or not yet decided. To be decided later. TBD. Yeah. When are new expansions coming? I need more space. Team is currently working. Okay. When new wearable airdrops, if you purchase Don Baker banner, you will be eligible for a free wearable airdrop. This will be dropped once the banner is no longer available. Estimated time 2 weeks from the session launch. Okay, let's go back to Dawnbreaker Island and let's craft another lantern. Okay, so far I have crafted two. No, I cannot craft anymore. I have to crop more sunflower and I can craft another two or three as my as I have few trees or woods I have in my land as well. So from morning I have crafted two lanterns, and hopefully by evening I can craft a more lantern. And this is the eggplants place. It will be appear after some time, and these are the mushrooms. It will appear after 16 hours, and you can buy the eggplant from Betty. Who is Betty? This is Sophia. This is Marcus. This is Bella. Well, this is Luminous lantern. Where is Betty? Let's go back to the home. Yes, eggplant seed you can buy from here. See is Betty. So 15 hours and 12 minutes it will take. Okay, no problem. So we can plant those, and I have sunflower seed, so I can grow some more sunflowers, and I will buy some more lantern, at least 5 lantern I will buy this week, and let's see what is the price then I will decide that I will continue this session, this event, or for further I will not take part in the event. If it is beneficiary, if it is increasing my SFL after the week, I must take part. And if it is not that much beneficiary, or if I am losing my SFL in that process of taking part in that event, I will consider myself to not to take part. That's my choice right now. Hope you have understood that how to play that sunflower dawnbreaker island event, and hope you will get some excitement into that island, and I guess we will get some beneficial from this event, so that will be good for us. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.